I'll never forget that momentous night in 1994 when the crown of glory, the crown of victory, delighted a billion hearts as the first ever woman of Indian origin went on to win the Miss Universe pageant, and thereafter this nation's pride soon found a claim for her talent on the big screen.
অনেক কিশোরী এবং তরুণীর কাছে তিনি অনুপ্রেরণা। তাকে সামনে রেখে বহু তরুণী স্বপ্ন দেখে সুন্দরভাবে মাথা উঁচু করে বাঁচবার, বুদ্ধিদীপ্ত সৌন্দর্য এবং সাহস। এই নিপুণ মিশেলে তৈরি তাঁর ব্যক্তিত্ব। তাঁর অভিনয় জীবনের সাফল্যের মধ্যে অন্যতম শ্রেষ্ঠ সফল অভিনেত্রীর সম্মান।
Her gorgeous smile has mesmerized millions with her kindness, her innate grace.
আসল সবাই মিলে আমরা অভিনন্দন জানাই এবং সম্মান জ্ঞাপন করি প্রথম বাঙালি বিশ্ব সুন্দরী সুস্মিতা সেন। সুস্মিতা সেনের হাতে ভালোবাসার উপহার স্মারক তুলে দেওয়ার জন্য মঞ্চে এই মুহূর্তে বোঝে না সে বোঝে না এই সিরিয়ালে যাকে আমরা চিনি পাখি বলে মধুমিতা সরকার।
Check, check, check. It's working. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, Mamthadi, Honorable Chief Minister, all the distinguished dignitaries and guests. What a joy it is to be present here tonight to receive this wonderful honor. It's a blessing, ladies and gentlemen, to belong to a country and a state and a part of a family that has always been your greatest strength, given you immense courage, and made you feel like no matter what your choices in life, you have a family that will stand by each one of them. Tonight, this award, I dedicate to my father. Daddy, don't get embarrassed, say hello.
Hi.
It's Amar Baba, Wing Commander Subir Sen. He's always taught me that there is no greater achievement than to follow good examples and to make an individual choice that affects a larger consciousness. The film industry at large, the very 19th edition of the Kolkata Film Festival, all of this is celebrating collective consciousness, cultural development, but basically having a dream and celebrating it. Thank you, Baba, for allowing me to be an actor, much against his wishes to begin with. And thank you, Mamthadi. We are a huge admirer of the human courage and the conviction you represent. It is very special to say, I'm from Bengal, I'm from your state. Thank you very, very much, ladies and gentlemen. Onek onek dhanyabad. And my daddy will kill me if I don't say this in Bengali, because he strictly told me, ektu bangla theke kotha boltei hobe. So it's not that bad, but here we go. I'm proud to belong to a culture that teaches you from when you're so little, jodi tor dak shune keu na ashe, tobe ekla cholo re.